Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your payment method on Ticketmaster. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to receive payouts from Ticketmaster from having sold tickets. How do you actually verify your payment method? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that you're going to go into My Account, and then under My Profile, you're going to click on this toggle button, and then click on billing information. Now, once you're in billing information, you want to scroll down to where it says payout accounts, and then you're going to see that it says help us verify your account so we can ensure your money is going in the right place. So click on verify now. And then on this page here, you need to verify your account by inputting the 2 small deposits that were sent to your account. So you're going to see a first deposit and then a second deposit. And you need to make sure that you enter these amounts exactly as it appears in your account and then click on submit. Once you enter those amounts, you should be able to verify your payout method and you'll receive your payout within 3 to 5 business days. But that right there, guys, is how to verify your payout method on Ticketmaster. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.